Hey guys, welcome back to Behind Closed Doors with your host Mildred. On today's vlog, I just wanted to share with you guys a purchase that I made for my bed. I purchased the Dream Serenity Gel Memory Foam Mattress Topper. I purchased one of these this year as well, earlier this year, for a queen size bed. And due to my husband's injuries, well, his surgeries, I just felt like this would be a great idea to put on our king size bed, because when I tell you this, it feels like heaven. This feels like heaven. So I just wanted you guys to see. No, this video is not sponsored by this company. However, it's the Dream Serenity 3-inch Gel Memory Foam Mattress Topper. And it really helps. It really gives you a good night's sleep. I really love it. It's soft to the touch. It feels like gel. It just feels like your body just sinks in it and it curves to your body. It's just amazing. I purchased this from Walmart. I got this one from Walmart. I got the queen size from Walmart as well. I purchased the queen size one. I believe I paid anywhere between $75 for that one because it was on sale that particular day, a few dollars off. However, I purchased this king size today from Walmart and it was $109 for the queen size. But when I tell you it's worth it, it's definitely worth it. Guys, so if you're looking for a topper for your mattress or just a more comfortable feeling mattress that you can sleep like a baby, this is it. So let me get to unwrapping this. It comes in this box here, and it has a 5-year limited warranty on it as well. And it comes wrapped up in this plastic, so it's real small. And then you cut the wrapping away. It's like a saran wrap. Cut that away. This here. And what's crazy was today I was driving to Walmart on my way to get this, and my phone rang, and Havity's called me. And I was like, huh? But I was driving, so I didn't get to answer that call. But it was just kind of funny that I went to get this, and Havity's called me. I guess they want to see if I want to get that bed, honey. Yeah, I'm waiting on the Lord to provide those funds. So I'm able to get my heart's desires. Yes. Yep. So here we go. Out. Not sure which way to lay it until I get it laid out all the way. Okay, to lay it this way, because as time go by, it's going to stretch and kind of fit to the bed size. I think I need to flip it around. I do. I think so. So get it It's a little heavy. God. Yep. I had it the wrong way. Oh, this looks kind of funny. I wonder why all the blue is on this side, and maybe it's just made like this. We will see. But we needed to give it some time to kind of stretch and relax. Yeah. To the sides of the bed. Okay. All right. So I'm going to allow it to kind of stretch out and come back and see how it looks in a while, okay? Hey guys, okay, I'm back in the bedroom. You see, it started fluffing out already. Let me add a little light to that. It started fluffing out already. Look at there. Look at there. This is a great investment for a good night's sleep. Okay, guys. So once again, this is the Dream Serenity 3-inch gel memory foam mattress topper. And it's supposed to improve sleeping comfort, help relieve pressure points, and extends mattress life. So it's good for the mattress. Keep your mattress good longer, and it's a good night's sleep. And it's a breathable, enhanced airflow design. So that's good. It kind of has like that new odor to it though, guys. It does have that, so it'll disappear in a few days, maybe about a day or two. It shouldn't smell as strong, but definitely smell it. And this was made in the USA. Hey, hey, hey. And it's a king size. This is a 74-inch by 78-inch. This is a king size mattress. As I said before, I did purchase one for my queen size bed. So, and I loved it. I love it. You can definitely sleep well. They say it comes with this 5-year limited warranty. So you can't beat it. You can't beat it. Okay, guys, once again, this was from Walmart. I paid $109. Okay, guys, this is the next morning, and we slept on our Dream Serenity 3 gel memory foam mattress topper. And I slept like a baby. I know I slept like a baby, honey. This mattress makes you feel like you're sinking into a cloud. It's very, very soft, but it's not like soft to a point where you feel like you're sinking in. It's just a great feeling. I love it, you know. So, hubby, how did you feel sleeping on this mattress?
Well, it felt wonderful. It felt great to me, considering my back is just a little tore up, you know, from surgery. It slept real good. You didn't beat me up last night, so. You know. I'm good, though. It was a great film.
He said I didn't beat him up last night because before it was like he couldn't get comfortable, so he would be moving all the time. And every time he would move, I would jump up to make sure he was okay. You know, because after the surgery and stuff, I just wanted to make sure that he was comfortable, he was okay. And it was like he couldn't get comfortable, so it kind of kept me up. So I was kind of upset the next morning when I didn't sleep one night. I couldn't get no rest because of that. So I was on the hunt for this mattress topper because I knew that this mattress topper was a good mattress topper because I purchased one before for one of my rooms, for the guest room. And I know it's like a cloud nine. So I was searching for one, but I had a hard time finding it in the king size. However, I just happened to go into Walmart yesterday, and I said, well, let me look over here, and I found it, and they had one left. And it runs I paid $109 for it. I don't know if it's cheaper online on their website or whatever, or you can find it on Amazon or not. But if you can, it is the Dream Serenity 3-inch gel memory foam topper, mattress topper. Okay, and I'm telling you, it sleeps like a beauty. So this is our take on a night of rest on top of this. Babe, you have anything else you want to say about this sleeping experience? No. Okay, guys, so I recommend this. This is one that I highly recommend. I will give it 5 stars. All right, guys, so you guys have a wonderful day out there, and thank you for tuning in to Behind Closed Doors with your girl Mildred. Behind Closed Doors. And don't get used to seeing me early in the morning looking a hot mess. Right?